Yeah.
Hi Linda, a quick update on your car here. There's your subframe. Billy had some time to disassemble some things here today. We've got the engine and transmission on the subframe. There's the engine. We've pulled the top front valve cover off, the front cover off, the oil pan and the stiffener plate. Over there is the transmission on the stand. And exactly what we were worried about happened. This is the stiffener plate that goes on the bottom of the engine here that we have on the stand. And this chunk of corner of it that was cracked that we showed you in the earlier video broke off. So this is the whole aluminum stiffener plate. It basically goes on the bottom of the engine. Here is a brand new shiny one from Toyota. Really lucky that Toyota manufactures this as a separate piece. We'll get a couple of more pieces that we need for putting the transmission, a couple dowel pins and some bolts and some spacers that are missing for some reason. Ordered up from Toyota. And as time goes on here, we'll get everything reassembled, put back in the subframe, put back in the car, which is up here, and hopefully be talking to you here by the end of this week. Thanks.